Telem Uncommon Sounds.
Our vision at Telem Uncommon Sounds is a world in which Sierra-Leonean musicians are leading the global conversation about music, and a world in which musicians from across the globe are gathering in Sierra Leone to make interesting, new, different, creative cultural fusions together. And so that's driving everything that we're doing in terms of songwriting training, in terms of different performance series, and also our music exchange programs to realize that vision.
So the vision behind this spontaneous live production performance today is for us to spread the indigenous Sierra Leonean sound that is called boo-boo. And this is all spontaneous. The singer just came up with lyrics and I just put things together because I don't have the actual instruments, but I try my best to interpret how Sierra Leonean boo-boo sounds like.
With the fusion, we have been trying in Telem to bring Sierra Leonean music out there, just as Solo has said. And so when we went to Morocco, we had to learn. And learning, we came back, did something together that would not only push Sierra Leonean music, but would show others how blending our sound with other music from different parts of the world would work, which is one of the things that Telem is trying to push Sierra Leone into the global musician world.
So Gumbe is a genre of music that was particularly brought to Sierra Leone by the slaves, and it has a lot of Afro-Caribbean influences to it. It is a genre that is played with so many polyrhythmic instruments and just using everyday situations to actually put the music together. So as modern day musicians now, we are now using the influences of jazz and other styles of music to actually create a brand new sound that is appealing to everyone.